Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the smart lock in your Motorola Edge 30. To do this operation, scroll down and search for the settings. Then scroll down and search for the security. Now there is option smart lock. If you have some pattern, write it. And this smart lock keep your device unlocked when it's on you. At specific, please contact your trust or know your trusted device. So on body detection, off, tap or turn it on, trust places and trust device. Yep. So you can choose when your phone gonna be recognized that you use pocket. So it's be gone. Oh, I put the camera up here to see all the screen. Yep, so this is the first option, trusted place. So you can choose your home or office to don't lock your phone, and you can trust device like the smartwatch or your headphones or something like that with connect to your Bluetooth or car or something like that. Okay, so that's it for now about the smart lock. It's very useful option. If you wish, you can now you know how to enable it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by the next video. Hey.